What's going on, Jay here. Tonight I am grilling chicken for my meal prep, so I want to share with you a couple of tips and tricks to make your chicken better. So let's get right to it. So I'm starting with boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I've been letting this sit out for about 15 minutes so far. I found that if you let the chicken get closer to room temperature, it cooks more evenly on the grill. So once I get my chicken, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this excess fat. So we don't want to eat that. That's literally straight fat. So I'm going to trim all of this excess fat. Super simple. Just get some kitchen shears. You can get these at the grocery store for like $5–10 bucks. Literally just trimming off all the excess fat, because that's going to equate to more cardio time later, and I know y'all aren't trying to do that. All right, so I just got done trimming off all the fat off the chicken. Meanwhile, my grill's been heating up. We want to make sure the grill is the hottest temperature before the chicken hits the grill. So next I'm going to take my chicken breast and I'm going to literally pound it. You're probably wondering why I'm doing this. This is going to allow the chicken to cook more evenly. So if you've been experiencing burnt chicken on the outside and just gross chicken, you're going to want to try this because it's going to cook faster and it's going to cook evenly. All right, so I flip it over. I start in the thickest part of the chicken and work my way out. So now, just got done pounding. All the chicken breasts are flat. I'm going to be seasoning it with Mrs. Dash. This is sodium free, so you're not going to be bloating. So we're just going to hit both sides of this right here. Side. So everything's prepped, seasoned, fat-free. We're gonna swing right over here and throw this on the grill. So this is nice and heated. So we're gonna just drop the chicken breast on there. All right, so we're gonna shut this. We're gonna let it cook for 2 minutes. We're gonna flip it over, let it cook for 2 more minutes, flip it over, and finally flip it over 2 more minutes. 8 minutes total when you pound out the chicken breast flat. All right, so in about 2 minutes, we're gonna flip these bad boys over. These two are late to the party, so we're gonna let them chill out. So again, we're gonna shut that, let them cook. Don't mind these steaks, these aren't on your meal prep this time. All right, so these bad boys are done. We're gonna pull them off now. It's been about 8 minutes. Boom, so our chicken's done just like that. So just to recap, you wanna make sure you preheat your grill, trim the fat with scissors, pound the meat so that it's flat, season it with low sodium seasoning, flip it 4 times and we're good to go. So I hope this was useful. Now it's time to meal prep.